Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when me I represent Gaza Nation in a loud effect. You know it go already. When me aim up, crank up, load up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy. Yeah. Watch. Hear me no Gaza Nation. So me do some bomb and address up a blogger. But yesterday, because my sister, I follow them and talk. You see what I say? And here what I go on now. These are the reason why certain artists not give bloggers the respect where them supposed to get. You see what I deal with? And that are the thing them where the man them not talk about. You see what I deal with? Because the man them want to go around and spread all kind of news and them thing they upon artists before them do them research or whatever first. You see what I deal with? No, a little thing go come out yesterday on the internet when everybody talk about the Masicka saga with the fully bad mix up with the footer hype. You see what I deal with and the producer. None of them not go do no research now, nothing, because nobody not hear from Masicka, you know. You know what I mean? Them hear some Masicka tell producer this. You see what I deal with that? Everybody run with that. You see what I deal with? And I run off them mouth and I go on the most way. You see me? So the blogger start come out now and I hear them start discriminate Vybz, Kartel and Masicka. Say them tell people about them mother, you know what I mean, and popcorn. And all film artists, which is Alkaline, is a church boy. Him never do nothing wrong yet. Him never disrespect nobody yet. You know what I mean? That him a claim. The blogger ya lick up him head or what? Cause I'm tired for call him name, you know. And the more man call him name, my sister is like a more highlight him want. Like a highlight him want from me. But here what go on. Watch what go on see, man. You see what I deal with? Let me show you the type of disrespect them where you are talking about. Because you see a man telling me right now, go suck my mother. Me's a man who grew up on that, you know. I'm a big man now. So from me, I grew up from me, I look at youth, we are exchange them thing there to and from. With the look at youth, them when me grew up with and them thing there. Till me turn big man now. You think me have no feelings towards that? First thing, make me teach you know something, because I don't even know what I want. A man telling me go suck my mother. It's like you tell me, good morning, Mr. 10-star General. What's up? For real. I like that you tell me. Because listen to me. What a man did want do? A man did want come suck my mother for me? No, dog, you have to suck your own mother, dog. I want to tell you, man. Doctor say breast good for look a baby. Much less big man. Watch. You see what I deal with? So, I'm a man, I know a man love breast. You see what I deal with? So, no lollipop thing, so if you don't suck your mother breast, use a weak baby. And probably that's why no found no youth on no back weak. You hear that? Watch and a lollipop thing. But you talk about disrespect, let me show you disrespect if you don't know what is disrespect. Disrespect are what I'm do to Winford Williams. After I'm come out on the man program the first and come highlight him him contact lens and tell the man say a bomber clad specialist him flying from foreign for come do him eye. You know what I mean? For come tattoo him eye. And with doctor and all them shit there. And when them on the second interview him take pan the man and the man draft it up on him because the man find out say a lie him tell. Boy say man, you remember how him deal with the man pan the man own program? Eh? You forgot how him disrespect Winfred Williams pan him own program? You there chat up your mouth? Eh? You forgot? And all know him not apologize not even to the dancehall universe. You forgot that? Eh? Let me show you disrespect. Disrespect. I use Vybz Cartel product, him style, him image, everything. And then say, well, then you act like you know acknowledge the man. None at all. A big disrespect that. And you know that too. You know yourself and on a lollipop thing me I talk about. So where you chat about? Disrespect. I when Winford asks you what happened to Tommy Lee and Gage and Masicka. And you stop the man before the man could have even talk. Oh! And when the man asks you what happened, you tell the man the thing Lily. And you come in at the business, come see Tommy Lee. And at one point, Tommy Lee was the hottest thing in Jamaica. And everybody know where go on and reach him. And you not show the man no form of respect. And this year, disrespect the man. I see them time there. The truth is was them time there, you couldn't clash none of them artists up on the stage. Because them time there, you was just a little baby. You know what I mean? We're hiding at your prom. You see when I deal with that, I must see you in your crib and I fling out your buckle them. A real talk and a joke talk. You see when I deal with that a disrespect. Where you come talk about? You know nothing about disrespect. You come talk about. And that's why Spice and the man them have to tell you about but send you up underneath to the mother, you know. Because these are the things them want to do to them, you know. You have to go God say, you know. Them are people just like you, you know. Them are somebody just like you, you know. And them feelings hurt the same, you know. You know, go like you not forgot that, you know. Where you feel like true artists, them feelings not hurt. And people like who no make artists now give the real and true blogger them the respect what them supposed to get. You see what I deal with? Big up yourself in a video link, Jamaica. No say nothing here to boss. You know the thing God, the general, the 10-star wanna represent. You know what I mean? But just I tell you about respect. Respect itself is a bragging right. You see what I deal with? As something where you can't buy. You hear that? You have to gain that. You hear that? And on a lollipop thing, the general, the 10-star wanna represent Gaza Nation.